Hello and welcome back. Wondering what these aeroplane miniatures are doing in a Things to Shop vlog? Well, buying a plane can certainly be on many people's wish list. After all, dil hai chota sa, choti si aasha. See, I told you Bollywood runs in the blood now. But for now, let's park that wish list for some time later, since this vlog is going to focus on items that are Sri Lankan specialities and likewise can be bought from here. Now coming back to the question that why planes in a shopping video? That's because amidst our shopping spree on the Colombo airport while we were heading back to India, we visited one of the lounges for snacking and relaxing a bit, and it was here that these toy aircrafts got attention of the Mr. Wannabe pilot. You got me right. So some of the shopping we did in Sri Lanka, whether it was actual or window shopping, was done on the airport, partially because of time crunch and primarily because we were not very aware of the whats and the wheres of shopping in Sri Lanka. And that's how I got the idea of doing this vlog, to enlist the things that can be bought from Sri Lanka and the best places to buy these from. And before we start, let me tell you that many of the leading brands I've covered are present both at the airport as well as at many local places in the country. And while the airport is a great place to find all the items under one roof, it does come with the drawback of many of the items being overpriced and no negotiation on prices being possible. Duty free is though an exception to this. So without further ado, let's begin the tour of the famous souvenirs of Sri Lanka. The first item on my list is gems and jewelry, since Sri Lanka is famous for its sapphires and moonstones. The best place to buy these is Ratnapura, which is famous for precious jewels. It is located in south central Sri Lanka, which is some 100 kilometers from Colombo. Apart from this, Paradise Road and exotic routes situated in Galle Fort house some enticing ornaments. Tea. Ceylon tea is the original tea of Sri Lanka and no one will let you forget it ever. The traditional tea of Sri Lanka is black tea, but apart from that, the other classics are also available like English breakfast, Earl Grey and some specialized flavored teas like chocolate mint or peach and mint. The humidity, cool temperatures and rainfall of Sri Lanka provide a climate that favors the production of high quality tea here. Tea production is one of the main sources of foreign exchange for this country, and Sri Lankan tea is considered the cleanest tea in the entire world. The most sought after brands include Dilmah, Bachelor, Macwoods that have independent stores at many places around the country. Spices. Like India, spices are essential parts of the daily staples in Sri Lanka. Even tea and sweets are spiced. The best place to buy spices is at the local markets like Petta or Kandy. Also, there are some spice shops in Galle Fort where spices can be bought from. Amongst all the spices, Sri Lankan cinnamon deserves a special mention since it's the best in the world here. So while buying your spices supply, make sure to pick some tender, well-rolled bark as opposed to the mature and darker bark of cinnamon, as the former lasts longer. In fact, you can find many other things made out of cinnamon over here, like cinnamon toothpick for example, and there are a lot more that Sri Lanka has to offer. Saris, sarongs and batik garments. Sri Lanka's local and traditional clothing is made up of saris for women and sarongs for men. Here, sari is draped majorly in two styles, the first one being the classic Indian style and the other is the Usariya or Kandyan style, in which a belt-like frill is wrapped around the waist. Sari here comes in three pieces. Piece 1 to make the blouse, piece 2 is a wraparound with a frill at the top, and the third piece is an unstitched piece of dupatta or stole. The fun part would be to ask a local to teach you to wear the Kandyan style sari. Apart from these, the Sri Lanka printed t-shirts are a must buy for keepsakes and memories. If high-end fashion is what you're looking for in Sri Lanka, then malls like the Arcade Independence Square and Odell are the iconic places to shop at. Also, when it comes to buying some gorgeously designed traditional saris, kurtas, sarongs, and some other stuffs like cushion covers, linen tablecloths, placemats, then Salayan and Barefoot are two shops that deserve special mention, since they have a variety of quality stuffs to offer. Buddha and elephant figurines, moonstone carvings, and Sri Lankan stone art. All around Sri Lanka are classic souvenir and handicraft shops called Laksala, where visitors can get lots of beautiful figurines of Buddhaji, elephants, peacocks, and leopards. There are a couple of branches in Colombo as well as in other major cities on the island. All Buddhist temples in Sri Lanka are graced by a carved half-moon stepping stone called the moonstone at the entrance. Small moonstone carvings are made as souvenirs for tourists and for small home shrines. They can be found carved in limestone or wood in small or larger sizes. Here one can also find rough surfaces of stones painted with elephants or dancers. Places to buy these are Paradise Road in Colombo and Orchid House located in Galle. Ayurvedic beauty products. This country has kept the culture of natural medicines alive through Ayurveda. Sri Lanka has some rejuvenating spa and beauty treatments to offer. In addition to this, visitors can also shop for Ayurvedic beauty products like massage oils, body washes, shampoos, and hair and scalp treatments. Local favorites include brands like Spa Salon, Kemara, which offers natural Ayurvedic products for sensitive skin. Another favorite brand is the Iris Garden, which has turmeric and fuller's earth mask as one of its best sellers. Raksha masks. Every souvenir shop a visitor enters will have Raksha masks on display. From tiny magnets and keychains to huge wall hangings, there is a Raksha mask available in every form. These are part of traditional Sri Lankan dances and are mostly used as decorative pieces. I learned here that the colors of these wooden masks carry a meaning. The red one protects, yellow one brings wealth, and blue one helps in the career. Like all other souvenirs, you can find these masks at the Laksala shop. Hand-woven items including Dambara mats and cane boxes. Dambara is a hand-woven coarse fabric that comes from the villages around Kandy. They are woven into mats, bags, boxes, and baskets, typically in a geometric fashion. These can make for excellent gifts for the people who love hand-woven stuff. The usual looms used in Sri Lanka since ancient times by its artisans are natural cloth and silk fabrics. Barefoot and Silayan sell hand-woven items like tablecloths and napkins made by the women cooperatives around the island. They live off their production, and when one buys from them, they make a better living. Porcelain tableware. Sri Lanka is blessed with excellent quality raw materials like quartz and china clay, owing to which the island delivers best quality porcelain and ceramic cutlery to the entire world. This attributed the world-famous Japanese brand Noritake to invest in this industry many years back, and that's how these famous Japanese porcelain products started being made in Sri Lanka. These exquisite porcelain beauties can be bought from the Noritake or Dankotua porcelain showrooms in Colombo. Books by Sri Lankan authors. Many travelers believe that reading novels and books about the place they are visiting gives them an extra special insight into the place. And they are not wrong. Books to look out for in the Sri Lankan literature include Serendipity by Ashok Ferry and Island of 1,000 Mirrors by Naomi Munawera. The malls like Chriscad Boulevard, Arcade Independence Square have some bookstores with great collection. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and do tell me what did you buy from your last vacation. See you all again soon. Bye bye. Take care. Happy living and healthy living.